Hey, what's up everyone, SHB here. So Samsung is getting to launch its next mid-range device, the Galaxy A53. This device has been spotted online on Geekbench. In this video, I will tell you all about the leaks that we have got as of today. The device has managed to score 776 single core and 2599 on a multi-core in a Geekbench test. It was tested with One UI 5 based on Android 13, and with the One UI optimization in the future the device will improve even further. According to the leaks from Geekbench, the device will feature an Exynos 1380 chipset, which is a successor to the previous Exynos 1280, which was there in the Galaxy A53. Based on the on-paper specification, the Exynos 1380 appears to have improved a lot over its previous version. The phone is going to be available in two variants, 6 and 8 GB RAM. The device is going to feature a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Now talking about the camera setup, it is mostly going to have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. We also have got some news regarding the battery on the Galaxy A54. It is expected that the device will feature a 5100 mAh of battery and a 25 watts of charging. It is also going to come with Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6 support. The device is likely going to be launched in February. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.